श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम गंग गणपते नमः। अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि बहुत दिनों से मैंने एक भी वीडियो अभी तक आपको नहीं दिया है। थोड़ा पारायण कर रहा था गुरुचरित्र का। गुरुचरित्र बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट ऐसा ग्रंथ है जो दत्तात्रेय भगवान के बारे में, एक्चुअली ये दत्तात्रेय भगवान का पुराण ही है। तो गुरुचरित्र जो है उसका अभी मेरा पढ़ाई चल रहा था। तो अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि गुरुचरित्र उत्तर प्रदेश या उत्तर भाग में, उनको भगवान दत्तात्रेय के बारे में कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है, वैसे ही जो फॉरेन कंट्रीज है उनके अंदर में भी गुरु का मतलब ही मालूम नहीं है लोगों को। गुरु क्या होता है यही मतलब उनको मालूम नहीं है। तो बहुत सारे मिसकॉन्सेप्ट्स है, उन सारे मिसकॉन्सेप्ट्स को निकालना है कि गुरु क्या है और गुरु हम किसको कहते हैं। दूसरा मिसकॉन्सेप्ट है कि मूर्ति पूजा, उसके बारे में भी गुरुचरित्र बहुत डिटेल में बताता है। तीसरी चीज के बारे में गुरुचरित्र बताता है वो है कि जो जजमेंट डे पे जो जजमेंट होता है वो जजमेंट में क्या क्या होता है, उसके बारे में भी गुरुचरित्र डिटेल में जजमेंट के बारे में बताता है। जजमेंट किस बात पे होता है और जजमेंट क्या मिलता है वो। सो फॉर मेनी डेज आई हैवंट गिवन यू एनी वीडियो। So I was actually reading Devi Bhagavatam, but by somehow I dropped reading Devi Bhagavatam. I read it by myself. Now we will go to Guru Charitra. It is in fact a Purana of Dattatreya, one of the avatar of Vishnu, which is always there on the earth. On every earth, Dattatreya is always there for the help for 24 hours, okay, of the humanity. So we'll talk about, we will read that Guru Charitra day by day, because most of the peoples don't know about Dattatreya. There are many misconceptions. The Trinity, who is a real Trinity? Trinity means generator, operator and destroyer. All three functions are operated by Dattatreya or Maitreya. So he is always there on the earth to help humanity, and he is the real Guru. There is no other Guru besides him all the times. So he is the real Guru. You can see, you can watch my beard, my mustache, everything has increased. It is because there are many rules and regulations to read that book. If I don't follow all these rules and regulations, it is ineffective. So Dattatreya is the real Guru, and right now the Dattatreya is Nrsimha, one of the avatar of Vishnu, Lord Vishnu. Nrsimha, he is Dattatreya, so he is available all the time. So we will read his book. There are many misconceptions about Judgment Day and what will be the judgment, exact what is the judgment. So the Guru Charitra gives in detail about the judgment, how the judgment is given, what are the judgments, and all this information is written in Guru Charitra. So I will read. That book is right now in Marathi and Kannada and Telugu, because That Guru Charitra itself is a Puran of Dattatreya, and that got damaged by anyhow. So Siddha Muni again brought it back and given it to humanity for worship of Dattatreya. So Dattatreya is the only one Guru available all the times. Rest of the other Gurus are following Dattatreya's path. Any kind of Guru on this earth is following Dattatreya's path. There is no such any kind of knowledge that is not passed through Dattatreya on this earth. So Dattatreya is the main Guru. Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma, all three are Gurus. But the real Gurus, real masters. But the problem is that they are not always available. So the avatar of Vishnu that is always available as Guru is Dattatreya. So Dattatreya is before Shankaracharya. I will also give you the lineage of Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya of Adi Shankaracharya, avatar of Lord Shiva. So that lineage I will give you. All the Nath Sampradaya follows Dattatreya. Dattatreya is the Guru of Nath Sampradaya. And most of the Nath Sampradaya, all yogis are the followers of Dattatreya. So I have told you that there is no such knowledge available on this planet Earth that is not passed by Dattatreya. So he is Ganesh Guru. Ganesh Guru means the Guru empowered by Ganesha himself as a Guru, as a master, as a teacher. And Ganesha is the owner of everything. So all the knowledge is given by Dattatreya is through Ganesha. He is the main master is Ganesha, and through Ganesha all the knowledge has passed out to everybody. Some people are thinking that why I am telling all these books from Hinduism and I am going to change their religion. This is not the reality. I don't want to change your perspective, your viewpoint of God. You remain with whatever name you like. Nothing is going to change. If you believe in Allah, you can believe in Allah. If you believe in Jesus, you can believe in Jesus. If you believe in Hashem, you can believe in Hashem. If you believe in Buddha, you can believe in Buddha. But everything has only one source, only one root. There is no such thing in this world available that is not passed through Dattatreya. So he is not a Guru that can be avoided, because most of the Gurus, they don't know whom they are following. Most of the Gurus in this world of any religion, any sect, they don't know whom they are exactly following. So that is why we will go one by one, every adhyaya, every chapter of Dattatreya's Guru Charitra. Why this Guru Charitra book is written in Marathi, Telugu and Kannada. But I have Marathi book and we will translate this book one by one verse into Hindi and same way into English, so that many people can understand what is the viewpoint of Trinity is, what is the judgment is, how the judgment is given, etc. So what you should follow, what you should do while living on this earth to go to heaven. That is written. That is written as it is written for Brahman. But everybody, Vedas teach us that everyone is born out of Brahma or Brahman. So everyone on this face of earth, living body, is the son of Brahma or son of Brahman. Brahma and Brahman, I am not differentiating in these two because Brahma has surrendered himself to Brahman. Now Brahma doesn't exist as his own separate entity. The Brahman is Ganesha. So all these things we will go one by one. How they got, what is the birth story of Dattatreya as a Trinity. He himself is a Trinity, and one by one I will tell everything, every verse in Hindi. Marathi verse I will read Marathi verse, then I will convert it into Hindi, then I will convert it into English, so that most of the people can understand this, and this will go a long way. This is very, very important topic. one should know that because this is how it happens. All this process of life and death and judgment in every yuga, this occurs like this. Right now the Dattatreya is Nrsimha avatar and Shankaracharya also follows Saraswati lineage, that is the lineage of Dattatreya. From Dattatreya is the topmost master of Saraswati lineage. So it is highly important for most of the Hindus and some of the researchers of Hindu religion, we can call, that what is the root, where is the root? The root is Vishnu, and from Vishnu everything has emerged. So Saraswati lineage is also from Vishnu's lineage. Okay, so from tomorrow we will go one by one. Right now I am reading that book, so my beard has increased and mustache has also increased because I do not have to cut it when I am reading that book. So that is the rule of, there are many rules, out of which this is the one rule, that I should not cut my beard and mustache. I should not wear any shoes or chappals while going anywhere. I should not wear any kind of a leather on my body other than my own body's leather. I should dress in a different manner. So all these things are there, and I am following that. That's why the beard has increased, the mustaches have increased. So tomorrow I am going to end my reading of the book. It has a total 52 adhyay, means 52 chapters. Out of which 52 chapters you will see the miracles of Dattatreya. Also the miraculous properties he showed in his life, tenure of life, because he has taken 3 total births. Not births, because he was in Samadhi for 700 years and then he come back again out of the Samadhi and again worked as a separate, in a separate name, as a separate entity. So we will go one by one from tomorrow. So this will be a good session and you will enjoy understanding that book. It is highly important because most of the Hindi belt does not have this knowledge about Dattatreya. Similarly, many of the researchers of Hinduism, they do not have any great knowledge about Dattatreya. But Dattatreya is the guru of all gurus right now. Without him, he is the chairman, and we should know about the chairman first. What are his properties? And then we will go to rest of the things like Kalki Avatar and other things. So this will be an interesting topic for you to understand the Dattatreya, how many miracles are written in Dattatreya's informations given by this Guru Charitra. You will find them, and also you will get lot of knowledge about what you should do in this Kali Yuga to go to heaven. To go to heaven, because there are two religions which are in conflict about going to heaven. One is Christianity and another one is Islam. And in these two religions, the sects, they have the philosophy of going to heaven. But how they should go to heaven, reach to heaven, and what will be the judgment, that is not given anywhere in their books. Judgment is given that there will be pestilences and droughts and famines, etc. But that does not give why they will occur. Why they will occur. What are the rules and regulations to be followed on this planet Earth to avoid the judgment? That is not written anywhere in these books. So why they will occur, we will go in 35th and 36th adhyay. That is a too long adhyay about giving all the details. There is a total detail of how the Vedas really are, how much the Vedas really are, and what is written in the Vedas, and how much is available right now, how much knowledge is right now available with us of the Vedas, and how old the Vedas are. That everything is told by Dattatreya himself, and that is been told by Siddha Muni to his disciple. So this is how this, we can call it as a Purana itself for Dattatreya. So this will be an interesting topic. So this is this series I will start because it is not in Hindi, it is not in English. English, they have given some stories, they have converted them and they are reading it, but that is not fruitful conversion of the senseful conversion of the written documentation. So that is why we will try to do it. And Dattatreya can be called by a simple mantra: Digambara, Digambara, Sripad, Vallabha, Digambara. First name of Dattatreya is Digambar. Second name is Digambar. Third name is Sripad. Fourth name is Vallabha. So Sripad Shri Vallabh is the name of Dattatreya, not Prabhupada, Shripad. Prabhupada is different and Shripad is different. One should understand. Shri is said for the highest master of all galaxies, all entities is Shri, and his leg, he is the at the position of his leg. So he is the greatest master ever. So we should understand Dattatreya, and that's why we will read this book. Also in this book, in the avatar of Dattatreya occurred at the nearby places. In some places are in Maharashtra and some places are in Karnataka, and they will occur whenever there is a requirement of guidance. Right now there is no requirement of guidance because people are following right path. So that's why that is not there. That avatar of Dattatreya is not there. But Dattatreya is always available on the planet Earth to help everybody. To help everybody. He does not differentiate in between who is a Christian, who is a Buddhist, who is a Hindu, who is a upper caste, who is a lower caste. He doesn't differentiate in between them because he is too much away from all these things. So we'll start this session one by one. Okay, let's watch my another video about loose talk. We will do some loose talk about some of my tweets, why I did all these tweets. So that will be also interesting thing to understand. Ganesh Arpan Mastu.